Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to reveal 4 lazy ways to make a ton of money. Now, don't get me wrong, these methods aren't about avoiding hard work entirely, but they do offer some shortcuts and strategies for those looking to boost their income with a bit less effort. So, grab a notepad, and let's dive right in. Way 1: Investing in stocks. It may sound lazy because once you've done your research and made your investment, your money works for you. To get started, open a brokerage account, do some research on promising stocks or ETFs, and let your money grow over time. It's like making your money work while you relax. Way 2: Passive income streams. Next, let's talk about passive income streams. These are the secret sauce for making money with minimal effort. Examples include rental properties, dividend stocks, or even creating an online course that sells on autopilot. Once set up, they can generate income without constant active involvement. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 3: Affiliate marketing. This is all about promoting products or services you believe in and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can share these links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. It's a lazy way to make money from your passion. Way 4: Dropshipping. And finally, we have dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can start an online store without holding any inventory. When a customer buys from your store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. You focus on marketing and customer service, while the rest is automated. So, there you have it, 4 lazy ways to make a lot of money. Remember, while these methods may require less sweat equity up front, they still require effort, time, and dedication to be successful. Always do your research and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.